Hello guys, this is Dheeraj Gonnoro. Today we are here to discuss the final demonstration of information management. So let us get into the topic. So I have already taken the exam and here are the following questions that are from the examination. The first question is to build a database user account and the second one is to add an owner column to the employee table and enter Telford login. So basically the question is about an employee Telfords for whom we have to give the owner access and to revoke the access and to select a particular station for Telford to get access for the station. And the third question is to log in as Telford and demonstrate that he can see only the station at employees. So let us dive into the topic. To fulfill the following three questions, we have to sign in to the MySQL and set up the database. Here we can see the option for the data import. So I have already downloaded the data in dump from the instructor and I need to import the data. So let us see how we can import the data. So here we have taken the node network and we open. So start import. Here we can see the import is completed and now to the database. We have to connect the database. So here, I'm sorry. We need to enter the passcode for the user. So okay, we have created the database. And for Telfort, we have to create a new connection. Let us name it as new connection 1. Here for the username, we have to type the employee name, that is Telford AOT. And the passcode is going to be AOT. So here we can see the new connection 1 and this is the database. Let's see the schemas. So we have accessed the database node network. Here, and let us see the first question. So the first question is to build a database user account, login, password, and permission for Telfort. Telfort is allowed to see only the employees table. So for this, we need to first create an account. For that, we have used the command create user Telfort AOT identified by AOT. Let us run the first command. So here we can see the error code access denied because I have already created an user for the Telford AOT, so it's showing access denied. So the second part of the first question, Telford is allowed to see only the employees table. So for that we need to grant permissions for Telford, and for that we have used the command grant select on employee to Telford. So for the second part of the first question, we have used the command grant select on employees to Telford layout, and let us check the command. Here we can see we have granted select on employees to Telford. And coming to the second question, so here we need to add an owner column to the employee table and enter Telford's login into this new owner column, but only for the employees in station 8. So we have to enter the owner column and only for the station 8, and we have to leave the other rows blank. So for this one, the first command we used is to alter the table. So for altering the tables, we have used the command alter table employee at column owner variable character. We have selected the 20 rows. I'm sorry, guys. So we have used the command alter. Let's check the command. So here we have altered the table successfully. And so to update the employee column, we have used the command update employee set owner. We have set Telford as the owner for the identifier 8. Let's run and check the command. So here we can see we have successfully updated Telford as an owner. And coming to the last part of the question, it should only be selected for the employees in station 8. So for this one, we have used the command create view station 8 as select from employees where the ID is going to be 8. Okay. Let us run the command. So here we have successfully created the station 8. So let us check it. To verify this one, we have used the command select for employee. So here we can see the following employees list. And we can see Telford here. So coming to the third question, log in as Telford and demonstrate that he can see only the station 8 employees information and nothing else in the database. So for this one, we have to undergo two processes where we have to revoke the permission for Telford and only grant station 8 permissions. So for this one, we have used the command revoke select on employees for Telford layout. Here we have successfully revoked the permission. So if we go check the permission for Telford, here we can see select command denied to user because we have revoked the permissions given to Telford. And to grant particular to station 8, we have used the command grant select on station 8 to Telford layout. Here we can see we have successfully grant permissions for station 8. And I'm sorry, now we have to check the station 8. So for this one, we have used the command select for station 8. So here we can see the station 8 employees. There are four employees in station 8 and those can be accessed by Telford. So coming to the demonstration, there are three questions, and in the following demonstration, we have answered the three demonstrations, whereas the first one we built a database user account and we have authorized as an owner for Telford, and then we have revoked the status of the owner and we have grant permissions for the station 8. We have ran all the three questions successfully, and that's all, guys. And I have run all the 8 commands successfully. Thank you.